Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're doing a thorough unboxing and review of the Thomson Streaming Box Plus 270, the UK model that's being praised as the best Fire Stick alternative on this side of the Atlantic. Now after testing it, I can assure you this isn't just another streaming device. It's a powerful, all-in-one media player that truly competes for your living room. This isn't just a simple unboxing, it's an in-depth look at the features, performance, and everyday experience of using this Google TV box. Let's see if it truly is the ideal alternative to the ONN 4K Pro for UK and European viewers. If you'd like to check this device out for yourself, click the link in the description or the pinned comment below. This will give you a direct link to the latest deals and the best offers. Now let's begin with what you receive in the box. The packaging is straightforward and professional, and inside you'll find everything you need to get started, including manuals and installation guides. The unit itself is the Thomson Streaming Box Plus 270 and it feels notably solid and well constructed. It has an attractive design measuring approximately 4 by 11.5 centimetres and weighing 296 grams. The top features Thomson branding and a durable fabric covering the built-in speaker, which adds a nice premium touch. You also receive an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and of course the remote control. Now this remote closely resembles the unbox remote except for the large blue free TV button, and it features a dedicated Prime Video button. It also includes 2 AAA batteries, so you have everything needed to start streaming immediately. Now let's discuss the hardware that truly drives this performance. If you've heard of the ONN 4K Pro, this is where things become more interesting. Because the Thomson Streaming Box Plus 270 is a nearly identical hardware clone. You're getting the same high-end components engineered for top-tier performance. Inside, it's built on a sturdy foundation starting with its Amlogic S905X4 processor. This is a powerful quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 chip clocked at 2 GHz, which is more than capable of handling anything you want to throw at it. The graphics are managed by the ARM Mali G31 MP2 GPU operating at 850 MHz. Now, this combination guarantees remarkably smooth 4K playback and support for next generation codecs like AV1, which many competitors do not have, making the device future-proof for years to come. You get a generous 3 GB of RAM for snappy multitasking and a massive 32 GB of internal storage. Now, after the Google TV operating system is installed, you're left with about 23 GB of usable space, a huge amount that completely eliminates the storage anxiety you might have with a typical 8 GB streaming stick. For those of you with large media collections, this box has a great feature. Its USB 3.0 port supports the exFAT file system, which means you can use external drives with larger files bigger than 4 GB. This is a major advantage over a Fire Stick and other competitors, allowing you to easily play your entire library of 4K films. To get a more objective look at its performance, I ran a series of benchmarks using Geekbench 5. Now, the Thomson Streaming Box Plus scored 147 on the single core test and 444 on the multi-core test. This places the device at number 18 in my ranking of streaming devices, slightly below the ONN 4K Pro with a negligible difference in scores. This confirms that for all intents and purposes, these two boxes are essentially identical in terms of raw power. Connectivity is a key strength of this device. It has powerful Wi-Fi 6, which I can confirm is great. It has a good signal and delivers fast speeds, even in areas where a Fire Stick would struggle. Now, a lot of people were initially concerned about the Ethernet port, which is only a 100 megabits per second port. But honestly, for streaming, this is a non-issue. Even 4K streaming only requires about 35 megabits per second, so the 100 megabits this port can handle is more than enough. But if you want to push things to the limit, you have a killer workaround. You can connect a gigabit Ethernet adapter to the USB 3.0 port for a speed boost, taking speeds up to and over 300 megabits per second. Beyond streaming, a lot of you want to know about general performance and gaming. The Thomson box holds its own here, and the combination of the Amlogic S905X4 processor and the Mali G31 GPU makes it more than capable of handling the Google TV interface with ease. And it's also a solid platform for light Android gaming. You can download and play a wide range of casual titles from the Google Play Store, and with the USB 3.0 port, you can connect an external gamepad like an Xbox or PlayStation controller to enhance your experience. For classic game emulation, it can comfortably handle less demanding systems, but don't expect it to replace a dedicated gaming console or run the latest high-end titles. It's a streaming box first, but its extra power provides a fun bonus. Of course, all that power and connectivity mean nothing without great picture and sound. The Thomson box excels here, offering a truly premium media experience. On the video side, it supports crystal clear 4K Ultra HD resolution at a smooth 60 frames per second. But what really makes the picture pop is its complete support for a full suite of modern HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie on Netflix or a nature documentary on Disney+, the picture is incredibly crisp with vibrant, lifelike colours. And the audio is just as impressive. For streaming services, it supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus, delivering that immersive, object-based surround sound you expect from a high-end device. However, for those of you who have a large local media collection, it's important to note a slight limitation. While the box can handle the core DTS format, it won't be able to pass through lossless high bitrate audio formats like DTS HD MA or Dolby True HD. For streaming, this is a complete non-issue, but it's worth knowing if you plan to use it as a hub for your local media library. For UK users, this is where the Thomson 270 truly delivers. I was genuinely surprised to find that core UK apps like ITVX, Channel 4 and Channel 5 were all pre-installed and worked perfectly right out of the box. There is one notable exception. BBC iPlayer is not available in the Google Play Store, so you will need to sideload it. The app works, but it's important to note it doesn't show 4K or Ultra HD content. Thankfully, because this device runs a pure, unrestricted Google TV operating system, sideloading apps is a straightforward and simple process. You can even use the Downloader app and specific codes just like you would on a Fire Stick to make the process completely seamless. The box runs on Android 12 and there is an Android 14 update planned for a future release. A great feature for anyone who finds the Google TV interface too cluttered is the Apps Only mode. You can enable this to hide recommendations, giving you a clean home screen with just your apps. One of the standout features is the Far Field voice assistant. The box has a built-in 3-watt speaker and 2 microphones, so you can use hands-free voice commands to control your TV from across the room. For example, you can simply say, "Hey Google, pause," to stop a show without ever touching the remote. There's a physical slider on the side of the box to disable the mic for privacy, which is a nice touch. The remote control itself is packed with features. You have a customizable star button as well as a dedicated live TV button that can also be remapped to your favourite app. However, it's worth noting that these buttons only work with apps from the Google Play Store, not sideloaded apps. It's also an excellent universal remote that you can program to control your TV's power and volume, eliminating the need to juggle multiple remotes. And if you ever lose the remote, you can simply press the Find My Remote button on the box and it will start beeping and flashing a red light. Let's quickly sum things up. On the plus side, you're getting a powerful and well-built device with great performance and excellent Wi-Fi. It has fantastic out-of-the-box support for key UK streaming apps and a lot of advanced features like hands-free voice control and a clean apps-only mode. It's also priced reasonably competitively, often selling for just slightly more than a FireTVStick 4K Max, but with double the storage and all of these other great features. The cons are minor but important to note. The Ethernet port is only 100 megabits per second. As we mentioned, there is a simple workaround though, and you will have to sideload BBC iPlayer, and the app doesn't currently support 4K content. Also, the customizable remote buttons won't work with side-loaded apps. It has some limitations with lossless audio codecs for local media playback, and its performance for demanding games is limited. But overall, the Thomson Streaming Box Plus 270 is a phenomenal device. It has the premium features and real-world performance that UK and European viewers have been waiting for as a like-for-like alternative to the ONN 4K Pro. The one key point of contention for some is the price. Now, while the ONN box is fantastic value at around $50 in the US, the Thomson box is sold for a higher price in the European market. Despite that, it's still a bargain for what you get. Check the link in the description and pinned comment below to check out the current deals and offers. If you're looking for a powerful streaming hub that is a massive step up from a Fire Stick, this is definitely one to consider. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you interested in the Thomson 270 or are you thinking about buying it? If so, please remember to click the link in the description or pinned comment. This will send you through my affiliate link and provide me with a small commission at no extra cost to you, and your support in this way is truly appreciated. Let me know in the comments if you get it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews, tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.